You searched for how to buy shares of Tmc Content Group AG, listed on Xetra under the ticker VXT.DE, and this video will show the practical steps. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. Always verify details and consider professional guidance. To buy shares, you need an account with a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker VXT.DE to find the listing. Make sure you select the entry that matches Tmc Content Group AG on the Xetra exchange. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and the price chart to review recent movements. Confirm the company name and the Xetra ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be placed as a pending or market on open instruction, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and the link to the example broker is provided in the description below.